Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how to use Leonardo AI to generate product packaging designs for brands. So first of all, I'm here in the Leonardo AI. You need to sign up if you don't have an account and log in. The next step, you need to define your product, brand and vision. What kind of product? Is it shampoo, a snack, a drink? Who is the target audience, kids or adults? What's the style and what colors? So here's an example: orange juice, brand style vibrant, healthy, eco-friendly, colors green, orange, and white, packing type, bottle with label. And then the next step is to write the prompt. Okay, so I have a prompt over here about the same orange juice, and we are going to image creation in over here or on the left side. It doesn't matter. Make sure you have token to use. Then let's paste the prompt over here. Make sure you pick what kind of model you want. Style, quality, if you want high quality, what dimensions of image. Let's say I'm gonna pick mobile, and 2 images, and then let's generate. Let's see what it's gonna give us. So yeah, over here it says choose the model and adjust settings and download your design. Look at that, how amazing it is. Now you can see this one has some weird texting, so you can just generate again until it gives you a good image, just like that. And then you can even upscale it to make it even better, high quality image, but it's gonna cost you more tokens. And yeah, then you can download it and you have it over here. Now you can use this design for anything you want, and that's it.